Today we'll solve rotate array. In this we are given an array in which we'll have to rotate this array uh, from left to right. Like this array we'll have to rotate by k times. K times here means one has to be shifted to the right by k times. So in this example k will come to 1 will come to k times here. So the final array will become one will become like this. So 5 this is the final actually. So 1 will come here, 2 will come here, and 3 will become at 7th place. Now say where will this 4 go? For that one, what we have to do, we have to make sure that this doesn't go outbound. So for that one we'll replace shifting will how many times will shift, will shift the index of the number plus k. So here suppose this index is I, then I plus k, and we mod it by the length of this array. Okay, this should be our shifting formula. Okay, so we can solve this problem by n space. We can solve this in big of n time and big of n space. For that one, what we'll do, we'll create a copy of this array. So this is the original array: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. We create a copy of this array: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll copy this k where k is 3. Okay, we copy this 1 to here, 1 will come here, 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 will come here, 3 here, 4 here. Now this 5 will be 5 will come like this is 0, this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 5 will go to 4 plus 3 7, and that means mod 7 will become 0. So 5 will come at 0 position, 6 will come at first position, 7 will come at second position. So this will be our rotate array. So here we have solved this problem with n time and n space. We can solve this problem in n time and constant space as well. For that one, what will we can do is, let's reverse this array first. So the reversal of this origin array will become 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Now if we see here, first k elements this and last the remaining element of this, if we match with this array, we can see these are the first k and this is last. This is not exactly same, but what will how will achieve this one? If you see this is 6, if you see, we can just rotate this array and it will become this. If we rotate this one, this will become this. So how will you solve in constant time? The first step will be rotate the whole array. Second, rotate first k element, then rotate last remaining elements, and we'll get the output. Now let's code it out and see how it works. So we have this rotate array, rotate function will have nums as a parameter, k will be the number of times it has to be shifted. So k could be greater than the length of the array as well. So we will handle it like k mod it with length of the array, so that we can handle that edge case. Okay. Now let's create a copy array. Let's create an array that will handle the rotated array. Okay, so let's create this with the default value as 0, and it will be the same size. Okay, now what formula will be used for I in uh, range len of this nums? So we will create this new rotated array. We use the formula I plus k and we'll mod it with len of nums. Okay, and copy the nums of I value here. Okay, and just return c nums, or we can just copy all the elements of c nums into nums and return it. So it just for if you are solving on LeetCode, just copy the nums of return in nums c nums into nums, and that will be your output. But here we can just use this one. We can test it out with this. This will take big of n time and n space. This is the example. Let's run it out. So we can see this has been rotated 5 7 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's solve this problem in big of n time but constant in space. Okay, one space. For that one, this, let's remove all of this. So let's create one more function that will reverse the element. So the function will be underscore, let's define it like reverse. Okay, that will take left position and right position. Okay, and while this left is less than right, then what we'll do, will reverse the elements of nums. Left nums right will be replaced with right and left. Okay, and left and right, left will be decremented by left minus left plus 1, and right will be decremented by minus 1. Okay, now what will from first will reverse whole array. How will you do? Just call the reverse function, and whole array means length of nums minus 1. Then let's reverse first k elements 0 to the k first k elements. Then let's reverse the remaining elements from k to remaining elements, and just return nums. This will be output. Let's run it out and check if it runs. Yeah, you can see this is 576 1 2 3. This takes big of and time and space big of 1. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you soon.